Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Edge and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. We can track the amount of steps taken on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. So if you wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the select button, you should see the current watch face. As you can see on my watch face, it's here. It shows the amounts of steps taken. You can also open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face. Scroll through the watch faces and look for something that shows the steps. For example, this one too. So this one also displays the steps. Another way to check this amount of steps taken is to open the widgets by swiping up on the home screen. Scroll down through the list and find the activity widget, and here it displays the amount of steps taken. You can also open the activity app. So if you go back, open the menu by swiping left on the home screen, scroll down, find the activity app, tap on it. Here we need to set it up, so we need to tap on start, select the main indicator. I prefer steps, so tap on next, then set up the goal for steps. You can simply tap on it and set it to something you like. And we have also the minutes of training and stand, then tap on the check mark. And once you set up the activity app and open it, here we have our steps, and there's a graph for it, as you can see, for the whole day. And I believe that's it in this app, yes. But if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check the steps in the phone application, basically in the Zepp app. So we can move our watch to the side, bring our phone, zoom out the camera like this, open the Zepp app on the phone that is paired with our watch. And in the app, you should see the home page. And here we have the steps widget. You can tap on it to see the more detailed information, like the daily, weekly, monthly, yearly stats and stuff like that. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you check or track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.